Welcome to the Self Love Archives podcast. I'm your host, Julia Salvia, also known as your best friend or big sister, depending on what you need more. I'm your girl. We have been doing a series, and we will be doing this series until the end of 2025. It's called the Self Love 100 Days of Loving Yourself More. We are officially on week 13. I cannot believe it. If you are just joining now, please know that you can start the Self Love 100 at any point, at any time. You can go to episode 5 and watch episode 5 first, and then jump to episode 10, and then jump back to episode 13. There is no specific order in which to do the Self-Love 100. The Self-Love 100 is about loving yourself more and making the choice to create better habits, to love yourself better every single day. And by the end of 100 days of doing that, the hope is that you look back and you love yourself a little bit more, a lot a bit more, a ton more. But the goal is just to love yourself more. It is officially week 13, which means we only have 2 more episodes of the Self-Love 100 together. And you may be wondering, well, why are you standing in your living room right now? And if you can't see me, I am standing in my living room right now. I'm standing here because I want you to know that this episode, that this thing that I'm about to share with you this week is going to take you only 5 minutes a day, not even. It's going to be something that you just need to recognize within yourself throughout the day. 5 minutes of your time. And most of these routines and habits that are going to help you love yourself better are meant to only be exactly that. That's why I've kept all of these podcast episodes as short as I can, because there really is no need for them to be any longer. I want you to get to loving yourself more. I want you to take all of this information in and go on with your day. Love yourself a little bit more today. So, week 13. Last week, we talked about how we need to trust ourselves more. And when we can trust ourselves more, we can love ourselves more, we can set better boundaries, we can do better by ourselves. We can keep our promises. That's kind of like what this week is about too, except we're bringing it down to one small thing that seems silly at first, but can make a world of a difference in your day-to-day and in the way that you speak to yourself. And that's affirmations. So I'm standing here in my living room because this episode's gonna be super short. Because what I want you to do today and for the rest of the week is I want you to look at yourself in the mirror and talk to the person that you spend your entire life with. I want you to say something kind, something sweet, something beautiful, something that you've been wanting to say to yourself. Most especially, I want it to come from your heart. And as you go throughout the rest of the week and you are giving yourself these affirmations that you are beautiful, that you've got this, that all is going to be okay, because it is. As you're giving yourself these affirmations throughout the week, I also want you to notice how you speak to yourself throughout the day. Are you kind? Are you mean? Are there parts of your day, like if you drop something on the floor, are you getting angry at yourself, calling yourself names, being unkind to you? Are you saying things to yourself that you would never say to your significant other, your sister, your best friend, or someone that you love? How are you speaking to yourself this week? And as you go throughout the week and get towards the end of the week, if you've consistently kept up with saying your affirmations every single day, ones that align with you, do you feel as though that noise, that unkind voice in your head has quieted? Are you able to catch yourself more when something does come up, or you do make a mistake, or it might not be a good day? Are you able to catch yourself and reroute, rephrase how you're speaking to yourself? Sometimes affirmations can look as simple as, I am beautiful, I am strong, I am kind. But I want you to get specific with these affirmations to yourself. I want you to maybe sit with yourself today and ask yourself where you struggle the most. Where is that voice in your head, day in and day out, being unkind? Where is that voice in your head? What is it saying to you? And how can you take what it's saying and rephrase it into something that is so much more meaningful? Some days my affirmations look as simple as, I believe in myself, I am worthy, I am enough, I love myself. Sometimes they look as simple as that. Other days I get a little creative. And most days I like to get creative with my affirmations because I like to really be specific about what I'm calling into my life. For example, I am becoming my highest and best self. Any challenge that comes my way, I am smart enough and strong enough to handle all of it. I love myself as I am today, tomorrow, and every day after. When you get more specific with the affirmations and the things that you're calling into your life, it rewires your brain to have the belief that that is who you are. Kind of like manifestation. I mean, it is manifestation. And even if it might feel silly at first, looking at yourself in the mirror and saying those things, saying that you are beautiful, you are kind, that you are growing, it's not gonna be silly after a while when you start truly trusting and believing that those things are true. Because spoiler alert, they are. So that's what I want you to do this week, to get you inspired about what affirmations might be helpful and might be aligned with you at whatever point you are in your life. We are sharing some really amazing affirmations in tomorrow's email. So make sure you're subscribed to our emails on the site. You can get the free Self-Love 100 download by going to theselflovearchives.com, or you can click it in the show notes. I cannot wait to hear all about how the Self-Love 100 is helping you love yourself more. So please, if you post anything, share anything, or just want to say hi, please tag us on social media at The Self-Love Archive on Instagram or at The Self-Love Archives on TikTok. I love you to pieces. Have the best week ever. And do not forget how amazing you are. Bye.